Okay, welcome back to the shop. So, we got here another Sunex tool offering. I picked these up because I saw they had magnetic tips in them. Kind of curious to see how that works out. Might be a nice option for starting fasteners, you know, in the middle of nowhere. So, I wanted to get a set, see how they were, and let's check them out. I still don't think it's quite cheating. Okay, so here we go. Yummy. No, don't eat it. So, these come with a nice impact universal. You can see that's got a nice, it's a nice solid for 1/4 inch. Nice universal action there and that. A small 2-inch long 1/4 inch extension, impact rated, and a whole bunch of metric and SAE sockets. So first impression of these is it looks like they're pretty well made. Let's get a bigger one. There we go. Not quite sure how they do that. You can see the brass inside there. So what I would guess is the brass is probably pressed in here and the magnet is pressed into the brass. So let's just try here a size. Got a regular 1/4 20 fastener here, and that holds that very nicely, very positively. You can actually hear it suck it in there, so that's pretty nice. Alright, so we got a 1032 nylock nut here. I'm curious to see with this extra nylon on here if this 3/8 socket will hold that. Oh yeah, that'll hold it good. So there we go, that's in there real good. It's not going to come out. They're chromoly sockets made in Taiwan. Seem to be made pretty well. They are stamped. I don't know if we can make that out or not. They're stamped and laser printed. So there we go. And we could check here quick how they fit on a tool. We got a 1/4 inch powered ratchet here, and they go right on nicely. No issues whatsoever. Don't get stuck, don't have a lot of wobble or anything like that. They have a good fit. You can tell they're in there good. So I think that's a nice set. Be happy to have them around here, just because they, you know, having this ability with a magnet to be able to start fasteners should be quite handy. That's something that if you're in a tight spot and you're trying to start something up in somewhere, stuff always falls and makes a mess everywhere and you're getting frustrated. So I'm curious to see if these will be a little bit more positive way of holding the fastener to get started when you're in that struggle spot. So there we go, just a quick little look at these. I think they're pretty nice. We'll see the extension. I'll just put it on here. Will work pretty well. There you go. And we can even run this. Seems like it works great to me, like you would expect. and that'll be a handy welcome to the shop for a little bit extra versatility. So got metric here from 15 all the way down to 5mm, including the 5.5. So that's handy. And we got 1/2 inch down to 3/16 with a bunch of these 32nd sizes that are fairly uncommon to come by. So I think it's a nice set. We'll put it in the rotation here and see how it works out for us. So there we go. New tool. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.